Hey you guys, it's me Keandra and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Nah, but if this is your first time here, welcome. And if you haven't got a chance to watch my get to know me tag, I'm gonna link it here or here or here or here. Nah, it's gonna be somewhere, somewhere. Today's video is going to be all about skincare. My skincare to be exact. So I'm going to show you guys my routine. So the first thing I'm going to show you is my gel-based cleanser, and it is by Tula. I got this product from a FabFitFun box, and it's just a everyday basic gel cleanser. And it smells like baby powder, like Johnson & Johnson or something, which I really like. So I'm gonna wet my face off camera, and then I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit on my little cleansing brush thingy. So I'll be right back. So I am back. I went to wet my face, and I'm just going to squeeze a little of the cleanser on the cleansing brush. And I'm going to turn it on. And I'm just going to cleanse my face. I like to do this for like at least a minute. I try not to be so harsh because I'm pretty harsh, but just gonna cleanse. Get under there. I had a Euphoria, but I don't know what happened. I think it died, so I just got this little cheap little one. Works just as great. So I'm gonna turn this off, and I'm gonna go rinse my face off. Okay, I just rinsed my face, so I'm back. I'm just gonna pat my face dry. You don't want to be too harsh. Just gonna pat. Okay. Next, I'm gonna go in with a toner. I just use the Thayers Witch Hazel toner, and this is in lavender. My favorite one is the rose one, but I mean, I just got this one just because. So I'm gonna squeeze this onto a little makeup pad. That's what I call it, a little makeup pad. Just a little bit, and I'm just gonna tone my face. This is what I'm just gonna tone. These are the cheap ones from the Dollar Tree. I usually get them from Target because they don't like get stuck to your face. But I'm gonna tone. Then I like to dry the toner. Okay, that should be good. Next, I'm going to go in with the Elemis. Hopefully I'm pronouncing this right. The Elemis Night Recovery Cream Oil. I'm just going to squeeze a little, like 2 little pumps into my hand. And then I'm going to rub that in. Sorry, y'all. I'm like so harsh with my face and with my skin. Like, I gotta do better. Just gonna look, see? Those cheap little makeup pads from the Dollar Tree. Can't beat $1. Just gonna go in with that. Then I'm going to take my J roller and I'm just going to roll my face. I'm always a little puffy in my eye area, like here. I don't know why. Just like to roll my face. I usually like to do this for like 1 to 2 minutes, but you guys get the point. Next, I like to just spray a little rose water on my face. I'm gonna run off camera and go get that. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back. This is everybody's fave. Like, this is the fave. Sorry, I'm just gonna sit here. But the one from Trader Joe's works just as good. Don't sleep on Trader Joe's skincare products because I have a lot of things. Maybe I'll do a Trader Joe's skincare haul. So I'm just gonna spray. Sorry, y'all, I don't like anything going up my nose, so I was holding my breath. And I'm just gonna try that. I usually turn the fan on and I like stick my head like right up into the fan and do like this. But I'm gonna do that. Last but not least, this is my favorite product. This product also came out of the FabFitFun box, and it is by Dr. Rogers, and it is called the Healing Balm, Restore Healing Balm. I believe you can get this from drrogers.com, and they do sell it on Amazon. It's about, I want to say it's like $30. So they have a small one. I think I saw for like $12, but I mean, you can put this on anything. Dried or damaged skin, lips, nails. But I like to put it on my lips. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that. I'm just going to go in. And it has a nice shine. And it makes your lips feel so good. Like, I wake up in the morning and my lips are popping. So thank you guys for watching. That is my little mini everyday skincare routine. I will show you guys a certain mask I use if you guys would like to know. But thank you again, and thumbs up and subscribe.